Wait lang. Diyan ka pa ba? Okay, sige, wait lang, relax ka lang. Okay, try mo nga sagutan 'to, yung susunod para, eto, try mo 'to, yung number 6. Okay, sige nga try mo. Wait lang, may pinapapasa lang. Okey, number 6. Kamusta? Na ito na matatapos ito. Pero kamusta? Nasasagutan mo naman? Okey. Hmm. Okey. So, try na natin sagutan. Okey, so paano niya sinagutan? So, tayo ay nasa question number 6 na. Okey. So, drawing muna natin yan. Try natin kung tama yung sagot mo. Okay, so we have, P, so the V, and we have, state A and, so I have this specific path. Sa 5. Ay, sa 5 and 4 ba? Sa 5 bakit? May question ka? Ah, okey, okey. Sige, sige. Okay. So, we have, 1.5. So, nangyari dito is, the PV diagram in the figure shows a cycle of a heat engine that uses 0.2 250. So, 0.250 moles, okay, of an ideal gas, okay, with G equals to 1.40. Then the process is adiabatic. Hindi ata G to. This is gamma. Gamma ba to? Okay, gamma ata yan, hindi yan G. Okay. Mali ata ng lagay. Verify natin. Nagkaroon ng G, nagkaroon ng gravity. Hindi yan tama. Saan ba nanggaling yung tanong yun? Nawawala. Okay, I think that's gamma. Okay, so gamma is equal to 1.40. Okay, and the process is adiabatic. Okay, adiabatic process naman siya anyway, no? Okay, so find the pressure of the gas at point A. Kasi ano ba yung definition ng gamma? Balikan natin. Okay, so yung gamma is Cp over Cv. Okay, yan yung gamma, no? So Cp over Cv. And remember also that Cp is equal to Cv plus R. Okay, so ngayon, find the pressure of the gas at point A. So gusto nating malaman yung gas at point A. Pressure of the gas at point. So how we're going to do this? Okay. So initially, meron kang 1.50. Okay, tapos process AB is adiabatic. So ito yung adiabatic. So ibig sabihin, meron kang cubic meters to. Okay, so ito yung adiabatic process. Highlight ko ng blue. Okay, so this is an adiabatic process. And ang ibig sabihin ng adiabatic process, there's no heat exchange. So that's Q is equal to 0. Okay, so ngayon, ang nangyari is nagbago yung pressure niya from P sub A naging P sub B, right? Pero ano yung P sub B? P sub B is 1.5 atm. Diba? So 1.5 atm siya. Or 1.5 atmospheres. So, ilista natin. P sub A, hindi natin alam. Pero yung P sub B, alam natin. 1.5 pascals. Or atm. Okay, so 1.5 atm. Ngayon, dahil adiabatic yung process, siguro ang gawin natin is alam natin kung paano nagbago yung volume, pero hindi so dapat malaman natin paano magbabago yung pressure. Okay, so from this, we have, remember, oo, oo. Hindi kasi 'di ba, ah, like you have this, relation. So for adiabatic ideal gas, yung relation, right? So P1 B1 gamma is equal to P sub 2 B sub 2 gamma. Okay? So, ito siya. Okay. So this is for so this is for adiabatic. Mm, yes, oo. So ilagyan natin ng tamang label. So this is PA VA gamma equals to P sub B. Ay, tama. P sub B V sub B gamma. So ibig sabihin, P sub A is equal to P sub B times V sub B over V sub A raised to gamma. Okay, so madali lang siya. So equal ngayon yan sa P sub B, which is yung final 1.5 atm. Hindi na kailangan gawing pascals. Tapos yung V sub B is 0.0090 cubic meters all over 0.020 cubic meters. And then raised to 1.40. Okay, ang sagot is 1.36 Pascal, ay ATM. Tingnan natin kung nagme-make sense. 1.36 siya, 1.36. Parang hindi, kasi 'di ba dapat mas mataas? Kasi ang final is ano, 1.5, 'di ba? Paano paano nangyari? Baka yung one raised to 1.40 nakalimutan mo. 12 point ay na-take into account ko na yung okay, 12.36. Okay, 12.36 ATM. Okay, nice. Okay, di 12.36 siya. Ibig sabihin, ito yung nandito. 12.36. Mas mataas. Okay, so 12.36 ATM to 1.5 ATM. Okay, so how about B? So for B, okay, you have. So how much heat enters this gas per cycle? And where does it happen? So how much heat is entering in this per cycle? Kumbaga parang pag naka one cycle siya, from A to B, B to C, and C to A, um, ano yung total Q? Okay, how much heat enters this gas per cycle and where does it happen? So saan siya mangyayari? Ngayon, guarantee na yung pag-enter ng heat sa system ay hindi mangyayari sa process A to B. Kasi nga adiabatic process yon. Okay, so ibig sabihin, if ang gawin mo, hati-hatiin mo sila, you have QAB, QC, QBC, tapos QCA, guaranteed na yung QAB is equal to 0. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung sasagutin natin yung pangalawang tanong, where does it happen? So, mangyayari lang siya, okay, the heat will enter the gas during process BC and CA. Okay, or para mas malinaw, B to C and C to A. Okay, so anong susunod dito? Ah, okay, so paano natin ika-calculate yung heat? Heat added. So yung heat added is again, oo, so Q. 'Di ba yung Q ng adiabatic process is una, oo, oo. Kasi 'di ba, hindi basta-basta. Kasi 'di ba una, sa BC is constant pressure. So isa-isa natin sila. So sa process BC, constant pressure. Yes. Oo. So constant pressure 'to. So ibig sabihin this is an isobaric process. So ibig sabihin you have QBC equals to NCP delta T. Okay? So NCP delta T. Okay. So siyempre in delta T hindi natin alam kung ano yung change in temperature niya. Kaya we want to use again the fact that W is equal to P delta V, and P delta V is just equal to N R delta T. 'Di ba? By the virtue of PV is equal to nRT. Okay, so mangyayari is that from this, uh, pwede mo nang palitan or delta T is just equal to work done over NR. Okay, which is P delta V. Sige, lagay na lang natin. P delta V over NR. Okay, so pwede mo na siya ilagay. Kaya ito is magiging QBC equals to NCP. Then you have P delta V over NR. Okay, so yun naman. So ngayon ang gagawin mo dito para hindi ka mahirapan siguro is you want to express CP in terms of CV plus R. 'Di ba? Yun yung nilagay ko kanina. So hindi. Ano naman 'to, general naman 'to. So QBC is equal to N, then CP is CV plus R. Okay, so what will happen now? Okay, so um, you have P delta V over NR. Kasi ayokong gamitin yung R eh. Ayokong gamitin yung R. So, ang gawin natin is cancel N. Wala na pala to. So, ito is magiging CV over R. Yes, oo. So, paano ba to? Ayan, ganyan siya. Tama ba yung decision natin? Tama ba? Kasi gamma is CV over CP eh. Ay, hindi. Tingin ko mali. Kasi dapat yung R, yung gagawin natin dapat na CP minus CV. Tingnan natin kung magiging ano siya, mas madali. Okay, so NCP and then NCP. Hindi, cancel na yung N. Cancel na natin yung N. So matitira na lang is CP over R tapos P delta V. Okay, so ngayon ang mangyayari is that CP over R. Ano ba yung R? R is CP minus CV. Oh, nice, di ba? So P delta V. Tapos ang gawin mo, baba mo yung CP, so magiging 1 over, perform ka ng tricks, no? Over CP minus CV over CP. Gets? Okay, so magiging 1 na lang yan. So magiging 1 over 1 minus, what is CV over CP? So dinefine na natin yan. It's 1 over gamma. CP over CV is gamma. Okay, so ibig sabihin, this is 1 over gamma. Right? P delta B. Okay, so yan na agad siya. And next is you want to simplify yung complex fraction. So magiging gamma minus 1 over gamma. Kaya yung gamma, pwede kong ilagay dito. P delta B. Okay, so gets ba? Ayun, nice. Okay, so next is, um, ano pa ba? Okay, so gusto na lang natin sila i-substitute. So we have 1.40 over 1.40 minus 1. Tapos yung P is, during process BC, constant siya. Constant siya. It's 1.5 atmospheres, right? So, lagay mo siya, 1.5 atmospheres. Ay, hindi. Tingin ko kailangan mo tayo convert para mag-joules to. So, ilan ba yung atmosphere sa Pascal? 1.5. So, atmosphere to pascals. So, ilan yung 1.5 na yun? So, 1.5 is 151988 pascals. Tapos ano yung delta V? Yung delta V is ito. So, ang final niya, lumiit, diba? 0.0020. So, 0.0020. Oo. So, yung final kasi mas maliit eh. Right? So, yes. 0.0019 cubic meters. O, anong sagot? Pero tingin ko, okay, mukhang ano nga, negative, no? So, QBC is equal to, negative? Okay. Negative 3,723. Okay, joules, no? So, ibig sabihin, yung heat is nag-expel, right? During that process. Ibig sabihin, during that process, lumabas yung heat. Okay, so that's your QBC. Okay, lumabas yung heat. How about sa QCA? Okay, kasi yan yung nag-result natin, no? Tingnan natin. Verify natin kung tama yung pinaglalagay natin. So, P delta V over NR. Okay, so we have CP over R. P delta V. So, CP minus CV siya. Okay. CP minus CV, and then you have this. So, 1 minus, yung gamma kasi ay CP over CV. Okay, so gamma minus 1, ah, so magiging gamma, then yung volume is nag-decrease. So ibig sabihin ng volume ng nag-decrease yung volume is ano, 'di ba? Ah, nag-decrease yung volume, so ibig sabihin the work is done on the system. Okay, the work is done on the system, no? Okay, and then ibig sabihin nito, the heat is released. The heat is released during process uh, BC. Okay? Okay, so may questions ka so far sa naging ano natin methods. Okay, so punta naman tayo sa C to A. So C to A is constant volume. So ibig sabihin siya ay isovolumetric or isochoric, right? Process. So ibig sabihin that is a constant volume process. So constant volume process. Okay, so kung constant volume process siya, okay, so hindi nagbago yung volume, that would imply na yung work done, which is P delta V, is zero, right? So walang work done, no? So alamin natin kung ano yung heat added. So we have Q is equal to N CP delta T. Okay. Yung CP, hindi. Ang gagawin mo dito is, dahil nga hindi mo alam yung delta T, teka, walang sinabi. Kasi, oo. Kasi, ideal gas lang siya. Tapos, ang gamma niya, 1.40. Ibig sabihin, yun na yung ratio ng CP and CV. Pero, walang specific na sinabi kung ano yung CP and CV that would be able, that would allow us to identify anong type of gas siya. Oo. So, or tama, no? Kung anong type of gas siya. Kung monatomic ba siya, diatomic, triatomic. So, wala. Kaya, ang maganda niyan is, paano kaya pa? Parang challenging to susunod. So, nagkaroon lang siya ng change in pressure and constant yung volume. So, ibig sabihin, if we construct PV is equal to nRT, kasi tumaas eh. Ibig sabihin, definitely, nagbago yung temperature. Right? Nagbago yung temperature, no? So it doesn't mean na yung work done is zero, is yung Q is zero na. Okay, hindi siya ganun. Hindi siya ganun, no? Okay, sige. Okay, tingnan natin kung tama. So, ang mangyayari is, dahil meron change in pressure, right? Meron change in temperature. Okay, so magiging ganyan siya. Sige, tingnan natin. Verify natin yung mga ginagawa natin. Hmm. Okay, hindi natin alam yun. Okay, wait lang. Magagawa natin to. Yung kanina is ano siya, eh, 'di ba? Isobaric process. So, that means okay. So, definitely naging ganito nga siya. So, ibig sabihin, delta T is equal to V delta P, over NR, right? Sige, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin mabuti kung tama yung mm. Yeah, okey. Probably 'no, probably. Okay. So, try natin i-substitute. So, we have Q is equal to NCP, and then we have V delta P over NR. Okay, and then after that, so again cancel N. Ito ulit, ganito na naman tayo. So, Q is equal to, CP over R. Okay, and then, V delta P. Okay, so, hmm, hmm. Okay, mangyayari ngayon is that, CP over ano yung R? Yung R is CP minus CB. Yes, oo. Tapos, so Q is equal to 1 over, CP over CP minus CV over CP, V delta P. Okay, so Q is equal to 1 over 1 minus CV over CP is, 1 over gamma, right? Baliktad. So, 1 over gamma. Okay? Then V delta P. Okay, correct? And then, Q is equal to, ay, gano'n din pala, no? Gano'n din pala. Bakit kaya naging pareho? Tingnan natin. 1 over all over gamma minus 1 gamma V delta P. Okay, yung isa 1 minus gamma. Ay hindi, parang pareho 'no? Ba't kaya nagpareho? CP 'to. Ay, hindi. Dapat ito ay CV. Mali ako kasi constant volume siya. Gets ba? Dapat CV. Okay, so palitan mo lang 'to. CV dapat 'to, okey? So CV dapat siya. Kasi constant volume process, isochoric process. Okay, so CV 'to. So CV, palitan mo lang ng CV. So CP minus CV is gamma, right? So gamma minus 1. Eto na siya. Okay? Yun siya. Okay, so mangyayari is Q is equal to 1 over gamma minus 1. So gamma is 1.40 minus 1. Tapos V is, ano ba yung volume? Constant yung volume eh. Ano lang siya eh, 0.0020. 0.0020 cubic meters. And then delta P is, okay, so delta P is, delta P is, oo, so 12.36 ATM minus 1.5 TM. Kaso nga lang, hindi pwedeng ATM yan kasi para yung sagot is guaranteed to be joules. So 1 over 1.40 minus 1. Okay, tapos 0.0020 cubic meters. Tapos yung 12.36. Ilan ba yung 12.36? 12.36. So it's 1. Wait lang. Tingnan natin. 2377 pascals, right? Minus 1.5, which is 151988 pascals. So, tama ba? Ganyan yung sinubstitute mo? Okay, anong sagot? Ano yun? 0.0543 joules, which is positive. So, ibig sabihin, heat entered. Heat entered into the system. Okay, so heat entered into the system. Okay. So, okay, nice. Um, so, ibig sabihin, you have Q BC, which is equal to negative 3723 joules. Tapos yung isa naman is Q CA is, ang late naman, no? So, ang late naman pala yun. Tama kaya to. Sure ba to? Parang masyadong malaki to. Tama ba? Yun ang mga mabuti. Kasi masyadong malayo yung difference nila. So, try natin i-verify to. Wait lang. Dali, ah. Okay, so wait lang. O yun nga, 'di ba? Okay, so paano kaya 'to? Try natin i-recalculate. Ah, kasi dapat ay ano, 0.0020 minus 0.0090 times 15188 minus 1.40 divided by 1.40 minus 1. Ganun talaga lumalabas. 'Di ba? Ang layo eh. Okay, paano kaya 'to? Ano kaya yung mali? Oo nga. Mm. Mm. So tama lang 'tong una niya. Tapos yung pangalawa is kasi nagkaroon ka naman ng ganito, tapos pinalitan mo naman siya.
Ito po yung header po namin is kulay red. So, ito po yung mga bagong
Okay lang. Ano 'to? Ano 'to?
yung so validation po namin. Yung mga header
Ba't
kasi
hindi mo pa 'to ba't hindi mo pa 'to sinama dun sa UREC form mo?
hindi po bali yung ano po namin, header lang po yung problem. Lahat po kasi ng header namin dun sa pinasa namin kanina, kulay red po lahat. Sabi ko ng pag-group ko, eh, yung numbers.
Ginagawa mo.
Tip po, sir.
Okay, sige. Paano ba 'to? Sana ma-solve natin 'to. So CP, calculate nga natin yung CP. CP is Megan. This is killing me. Bakit kaya siya hindi nagma-match? Tama naman yung manipulation natin. And masyadong malayo eh, no? Or baka naman, tama yung QBC. Tingin ko tama naman to. However, dito, baka nandito yung mali. I think. So, tingnan natin. Calculate natin. So, 125,2377 minus 151,988. Okay, times 0.0020 times or divided by 1.40 minus 1. Ay, mali yung sagot mo. Dapat, ito ay, dapat ito ay 5,501. Point, yes. Oo, di ba? Mm-mm. Mabuti na lang chinek natin, Juice. So, ibig sabihin, yung buong heat, QAB plus QBC plus QCA. So, this is equal to QAB 0 joules. Yung BC naman is negative 3,723 joules. Plus QCA is 5,501.95 joules. Okay, so ibig sabihin, this is ano sagot? Ano sagot? Ano sagot? So, 1,778. Ayun, 0.9. Ayan, okay. So, ibig sabihin, in general is, nagkaroon ng net heat entered, no? Ito yung net heat. Kasi may lumabas, may pumasok din. Pero ang pinakamarami yung pumasok, no? Okay? So, net heat end. Okay, so next is, how much heat leaves this gas in a cycle? How much heat entered and how much heat leaves the gas in a cycle? So, in one cycle, kasi syempre, so sa loob ng one cycle, may lumabas, no? So, paano kaya? Parang hindi ko gets yung susunod. How much heat leaves this gas in a cycle? And where does it occur? Okay. So, dito, nangyari is, ito yung net heat, no? Pero, in one cycle, meron tayong Q, CA equals to 5,501 0.95 joules of heat entering the system per cycle. Okay? Yun. Tapos, pangalawa, Q BC equals to negative 3,723. Okay, joules of heat is leaves the gas. The gas in one cycle. Okay, gets ba? So, in one cycle. So, merong mag-e-enter, merong lalabas in one cycle. Okay, so how much work does this engine do in a cycle? So, yun yung susunod. So, how much work's done? Oh, so, how much work? So, syempre, kailangan nating malaman ano yung work done during AB process. Kasi ano ba yung total work done? Total work done is work AB plus work BC plus work CA. Okay, so tingnan natin. Work AB is merong work yung sa adiabatic process. So ano yung work niya? Yung work niya is work done. So for adiabatic, so ang work done niya is equal to 1 over gamma minus 1. Okay, P A, work AB, no? Kasi yun yung adiabatic, yung AB. So PA, VA minus P sub B, V sub B. Okay, so mangyayari 1 over 1.40 minus 1 times. Yung PA is, ano ba yung P sub A? 12.36, 1.5. So 12.36 ATM. No? Pero dapat i-convert natin to later on. Okay, tapos yung V sub A is, okay, babalik na naman tayo. 0.0020. So 0.0020 cubic meters minus 1.5 ATM tapos 0.0090. Okay? 90 cubic meters. Pero baguhin natin yung unit ng ATM. So 1 over 1.40 minus 1. So 12.36 ATM is ano ba to? Again, 12.36 is 125.2377 pascals times 0.0020 cubic meters minus 1.5. So 151988 pascals times 0.0090 cubic meters. Okay, so ano kaya ang sagot? This one. Ay, may tumatawag. Okay. Isa pa. Okay. Yes, yes. 2842 point, okay, 155 or 16, no? Joules. Okay, so ito yung sa process A. O how about naman sa process BC? So sa process BC is isobaric process, right? So kung isobaric process siya, we have P delta V. Okay, so madali lang yan. So yung pressure dyan is guaranteed to be P sa like any of the two. Kasi constant 1.5, no? So 1.5 atm or equivalent siya sa 151988 pascals. Tapos yung change in volume is, ang final is 0.0020 cubic meters minus 0.0090 cubic meters. So ano kaya ang answer? So what is WBC? Negative 1,064 joules. Okay, nice. So ito yung una, ito yung pangalawa. And also we have process CA. So again, P delta V, but yan ay isochoric process, isovolumetric. So ibig sabihin, yung volume is pareho lang. So ibig sabihin, automatic, this is 0. Right? Gets ba? So 0 siya. So ibig sabihin, yung total work done is 2842.16 joules plus negative 1,064 joules plus 0 joules. Anong sagot? 177 point, yan ba yung total? Ay, is this really 1,000? Isa pa. 0.0020 minus 0.0090 times 151988 o 1,063. Okay, so ang naging total is plus 2842.16. So we have 1778.24 joules. So ito yung naging total work done. Okay. Okay, total work done. So total, so this is the total work done in one cycle. Okay, so ngayon, kakalculate naman natin yung thermal efficiency niya. And remember, thermal efficiency is work done per heat absorbed. Naalala mo? Okay, work done per heat absorbed or Q in, right? So, ngayon, ang Q in natin is, paano ba? Okay. So, kanina, ang nakita natin is, meron siyang net heat, ano ba? And, ang nag-enter is sa QCA eh. Tapos meron siyang heat expelled na, kumbaga parang, if ito yung engine, right? So, mangyari is, ang na-expel niya is negative 3,723 joules. Tapos yung pumasok sa kanya is 5,500 1.95 joules. Tapos, naglabas siya ng work done. Gets ba? Okay, so ano yung work done na na-calculate natin? We have 1778.24. So, 1778.24. Okay, nagme-make sense ba to? Tingnan natin, kailangan yung lumabas tsaka yung pumasok, syempre, magtugma dun sa work done. Kaya dapat yung 5,501.95, pag minus natin sa 1778.28, ano lalabas? 3,723, right? Pag ginanito mo siya, di ba work is equal to Q in minus Q out. Tama ba? So, syempre, yung natira, yun yung mako-convert sa work. So, yung Q in is 5,501.95 joules minus negative 3,723 joules. O ano magiging sagot? Magiging sagot is 1,778 joules. Okay, which is match. Gets ba? Okay? Pero hindi natin to ginagamit kanina. Ang ginagamit natin yung mga fundamental equations. Okay, so kita mo kung gaano sila nagmamatch, right? Yun yung beauty nito. Okay, so pag kinalculate natin yung efficiency, ang Q in mo kasi dito, this is the in. So yung work done is 1778.24. So 1778.24 divided by Q in. Ang Q in is 5501.95. 5501.95. Okay? So ano yung efficiency? Yeah, 178.24 divided by 5501.95. Ang sagot natin is 0.32. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong 32% efficiency. So what does this mean? So it means that 32% of the total Q in is converted into work, right? Okay? And 68%, okay? Okay, 68% of the total Q in is being released in the cold reservoir. So see? Oo, mataas. Mataas pa rin. Mataas pa rin. Oo, oo. So see, ibig sabihin, yung Q-in, nagaganap siya sa isang part ng thermodynamic process. Kasi yung heat engine is composed of multiple thermodynamic processes, tama? So yung Q-in, nangyayari siya sa isang specific na thermodynamic process. Then yung Q-out is nangyayari siya sa isang specific na thermodynamic process. Okay, tapos pag kinalculate mo yung buong work done ng cycle, yun yung magiging W out. Okay? So, yun yung ano niya. So, at least mas na-feel natin kung ano talaga yung nangyayari kapag when we are dealing with heat engines. Okay, ano pa? Okay. So, mag-meet ulit tayo bukas, no? Again, no? Ano yung napag-usapan natin time? 5? Okay, 5. So, meet tayo ng 5 p.m. ulit bukas. Okay? Yung alin yun? Alin? Oh, yung problem. So, so sana masagutan mo yung mga susunod. Try mo. Kung kaya mo. Oo. So, okay. Sige, sige. So, salamat. Thank you. Okay, bye, bye.